A dry cough is also called an unproductive cough. Unlike productive wet coughs, dry coughs are unable to remove mucus or irritants from your lungs or nasal passage. In this video, I tell you best remedy to get rid of dry cough. You will need cardamom or sugar. Blend and grate the cardamom. And add the grated sugar in a pieces of cardamom. Mix the grated cardamom and sugar, and the remedy is fully completely ready. You will eat 1 tablespoon of this mixture daily to get rid of cough.